Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel, Commerce Tute, your flight to success. Yes, today we are going to start with the exercise of the chapter number 4. Yes, you heard it right. Chapter number 4, issue of debentures. We are going to solve the exercise, obviously, question number 1, but under that, we will solve A, B, C, D, and E. All these five sub questions we are going to solve of question number 1 today in this video, children. Before going ahead, yes, those who are new to my channel, welcome to my channel, students. And for all the videos and updates, kindly like, subscribe, and share kindly, because let it get useful to those who are in need of this videos. Okay. And obviously today we are going to also understand कि ये जो objectives हैं इनके right answer है जहाँ applicable होता है, we will also discuss few things so that we will understand the logic behind this answer. ठीक है, तो थोड़ा सा वो भी करते करते हम पूरा क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 A to E का एक्सरसाइज सॉल्व करेंगे. So without delaying much, children, let's begin. Question number 1 A. Select the correct answer from the options given below and rewrite the statements. First one, a company cannot issue dash with voting rights. Yes, you can see I have already highlighted and we have studied so much about debentures. The right answer itself is debentures. कोई भी company debentures को voting rights के साथ issue बिल्कुल भी नहीं कर सकती. So the answer is debentures. ठीक है. 2. I'm going to say the second one. A company can issue dash convertible debentures. The right answer is partly or fully. वो fully भी convertible debentures issue कर सकते हैं और partly भी कर सकती है. So there is nothing regarding that. So both, that means the C is the right answer. Partly or fully. ठीक है. Third one. Money from dash account is used for redemption of debentures. Yes. B is the right answer, that is debenture redemption reserve. ये जो अकाउंट है डिबेंचर रिडेम्पशन रिजर्व अकाउंट जो है इसी अकाउंट से ही पैसे यूज होते हैं रिडेम्पशन ऑफ डिबेंचर्स करने के लिए. ठीक है. फोर्थ, डैश प्रोटेक्ट्स द इंटरेस्ट ऑफ डिबेंचर होल्डर्स. डेफिनेटली डिबेंचर ट्रस्टीज, चिल्ड्रन, क्योंकि डिबेंचर ट्रस्टीज को अपॉइंट किया जाता है सो दैट दे कैन प्रोटेक्ट द इंटरेस्ट ऑफ द डिबेंचर होल्डर्स. ठीक है. Then let us go to the fifth one, that is secured debentures must be redeemed within dash from the date of its issue. Yes, 10 years. Okay. Sixth, a company issuing dash debentures must create a charge on the assets of the company. Yes, secured debentures. सिक्योर्ड डिबेंचर्स में ही स्टूडेंट्स चार्ज ऑन द असेट इशू होता है कंपनी के तरफ से. अनसिक्योर्ड तो दे आर नॉट दीज डेज दे आर नॉट गिविंग अनसिक्योर्ड, बट चार्ज ऑन द असेट की जब बात आती है तो डेफिनेटली वो होता है सिक्योर्ड डिबेंचर्स. ठीक है. देन debenture certificate must be issued within dash of allotment of debenture. Yes, it is 6 months. और ये जब हमने I mean to say whenever we have spoken about debentures, I think most of the dates and all we have underlined time, or you may say obviously date and month especially. तो यहाँ पे debenture certificate must be issued within 6 months. ठीक है. 8th one, the detail of allotment of debentures must be entered in dash. Obviously it will be registered in the register of debentures. members में तो नहीं होगा, creditors में तो definitely नहीं होगा, तो debentures related जो भी है वो कहाँ जाता है, register of debentures में. ठीक है. 9th one, a company which issues prospectus or invites more than 500 persons to buy its debentures has to appoint dash. Yes, the right answer is डिबेंचर ट्रस्टीज. अगर कंपनी का जो प्रोस्पेक्टस इशू है जो वो करती है या लोगों को जो इनवाइट करती है डिबेंचर के लिए वो 500 से ज्यादा हो जाता है तो डेफिनेटली किसकी जरूरत पड़ती है, दे हैव टू अपॉइंट डिबेंचर ट्रस्टीज. ठीक है. देन 10th one, the contract between company and debenture trustees of a company is called as Yes, debenture trust deed. It is an agreement. Remember, children. It is an agreement. आप बोल सकते हो, आप contract बोल सकते हो between whom, the company and the debenture trustees of the company. उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? debenture trust deed कहते हैं. ठीक है. Then the 11th one is procedure for allotment of debenture should be completed within dash from the date of receipt of applications. Yes, the answer is 60 days. मतलब 2 months minimum. Minimum in the sense obvious है. So procedure for allotment of debentures जो है वो complete होने चाहिए 60 days from the date of receipt of applications. ठीक है. Then let us go to the next question, that is question number 1B, match the pairs. Students, you can see here group A and group B. I have just arrow marked there so that it will really help you to have a quick glance at the match the pairs. Okay, the first one, if you can see, children, A, debenture trustees. The right answer, the arrow goes to the 7th one, that is protects interest of the debenture holders. Yes, और ये अभी हमने fill in the blanks में भी देखा था कि debenture trustees को appoint किया जाता है. क्यों किया जाता है? Because to protect the interest of the debenture holders. So the right answer for A is 7th one, that is protects interest of debenture holders. ठीक है. Next, debenture holder. Obviously ये भी हमने fill in the blanks में देखा था. Debenture holder, yes, the right answer is the 5th one. They don't have any voting rights. ठीक है. Then comes your charge on the assets. And now I think you have got it clicked, children, क्योंकि charge on the assets के बारे में मैंने थोड़ी देर पहले मैंने explanation भी दिया है कि charge on the asset जो है वो किसको applicable होता है? वो सिर्फ secured debentures वालों को ही apply होता है. So the right answer for C, charge on asset, is secured debentures. ठीक है. Then let's go to the 4th one, D, that is board of directors. Students, board of directors, obviously it is the first one, the right answer, that is power to issue debentures. Definitely board of directors को ही वो power होता है to issue debentures. Okay, so the right answer for D is the first one, that is power to issue debentures. ठीक है. Now let us go to the last one, that is debenture certificate. Yes, here debenture certificate का answer है 10th one, that is issued within 6 months of allotment of debentures. I think this is also covered in the fill in the blanks. So the right answer for E, that is debenture certificate, is issued within 6 months of allotment of debentures. So I think this match the pairs are very quick, what do you say, a quick view to the answers, and you can also see the answers instantly and it will help you to remember also. ठीक है. Let us go to the C part of it, children. Question number 1C, that is write a word or a term or a phrase which can substitute each of the following statements. बहुत ही simple है students, but थोड़ा question को read करो, understand करो. This is what I always tell to my children, that the answers are there only. Sometimes you know the question, if you know the concept, definitely in any way they ask you the question, you are definitely there to write the answers, है ना. तो पहले आप जो भी क्वेश्चन है उसे ठीक से पढ़ो एंड देन ट्राई टू रिलेट व्हाट यू हैव स्टडीड. तो इससे क्या होगा, योर कॉन्सेप्ट क्लैरिटी विल डेफिनेटली हेल्प यू टू अटेम्प्ट दिस आंसर्स वेरी केयरफुली एंड डेफिनेटली टू ग्रैब द मार्क्स. ठीक है. सो द फर्स्ट वन है टाइप ऑफ रेजोल्यूशन नीडेड टू इशू कन्वर्टेबल डिबेंचर्स. हमने बहुत बारी देखा है स्टूडेंट्स की जो भी रेजोल्यूशन बात आई मीन टू से पास होती है with the approval of the shareholders in the meeting, तो वो हमेशा special resolution ही होती है. So यहाँ पे the right answer is special resolution, the first one. Second, account to be created for redemption of debentures, definitely debenture redemption reserve. ये account था और ये हमने fill in the blanks में भी देखा था. ठीक है. The third one is institution appointed by company to protect the interests of the debenture holders. I think students, now you are getting the the hang of it, because debenture trustees वापस आ गए और ये I think we have already discussed this in the fill in the blanks also, and मैच द पेज ऑल्सो. तो नाउ यू अंडरस्टूड ओके कि कौन है वो जो प्रोटेक्ट करता है इंटरेस्ट ऑफ द डिबेंचर होल्डर्स, दैट इज डिबेंचर ट्रस्टीज. ठीक है. पीरियड, नेक्स्ट वन, पीरियड विद इन विच सिक्योर्ड डिबेंचर्स शुड बी रिडीम्ड, 10 years. Type of debentures on which company has to create a charge on its assets. Students, answer is secured debentures. इस पर भी हमारी बात हो चुकी है. Sixth one, the document which contains terms and conditions agreed upon by the company and the debenture trust is definitely उस contract को, उस agreement को या उस document को हम क्या कहते हैं? debenture trust deed. ठीक है. Seventh one, time period within which the procedure for allotment of debenture is to be completed from the date of receipt of application. Yes, it is 60 days. Eighth one, period within which debenture certificate must be issued by the company. Yes, the answer is here, children. You can see the hand here. 6 months from the allotment of debentures is the right answer. Ninth one, institution which redresses grievance of debenture holders. Yes, debenture trustees. Grievance matlab any difference they have in opinion, fights, anything. तो ये जो redress करता है उनका grievances of different debenture holders कौन है वो? debenture trustees है वो. The right answer is debenture trustees. Then the 10th one, authority which has power to issue debentures, definitely board of directors. Now we have totally understood about the foundation of debentures, है ना students, कि within how many days allotment of debenture होता है from the date of receipt of application. Then debenture trustee कौन है, debenture trust deed क्या होता है, किसको authority होती है इशू करने के लिए डिबेंचर्स. आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग नाउ द थिंग्स? सो आई थिंक बाय नाउ इट्स वेरी वेरी क्लियर. डेफिनेटली द आंसर हियर इज authority which has power to issue debenture, it is board of directors. Okay, let us go to the D part of it, children, that is state whether the following statements are true or false. First one, debenture holders have no voting rights. Yes, it is a big yes, that is it is true, क्योंकि debentures को voting rights के साथ कभी नहीं दिया जाता, क्योंकि voting rights उनको होता ही नहीं है. ठीक है, so the answer is true. Second, company cannot issue non-convertible debentures. Totally false. अभी हमने fill in the blanks में देखा कि वो partly या fully I'm to say they can issue convertible debentures. So the answer is false. Third one, special resolution is needed to issue convertible debentures. Definitely yes, the answer is true. जो भी होता है they have to go through proper channel, और वो proper channel क्या होता है students, that they have to take the approval of the shareholders and they have to pass a special resolution in the general meeting and then go ahead with the decision. So the answer is third one, answer is true. Fourth, debenture holders are paid interest. Definitely वो उनको interest मिलता ही है. Fifth, debenture trustees cannot approach NCLT to redress grievances of the debenture holder. Definitely यहाँ पे नेशनल कंपनी लॉ ट्रिब्यूनल के पास तो वो कोई कंप्लेंट लेकर तो जाएंगे नहीं, वो यहाँ पे खुद डिबेंचर ट्रस्टीज ही उनके ग्रीवेंसेस सॉल्व करते हैं डिबेंचर होल्डर्स के. सो द आंसर इज false. I'm sorry. Debenture trustees cannot approach NCLT to redress grievances of debentures. Yeah, I'll just read the question again, students. यहाँ पे the question here they are asking that can debenture trustees approach NCLT to redress grievances of debenture holders? Definitely yes. लेकिन यहाँ पे लिखा है debenture trustees cannot अप्रोच NCLT, तो इट इज अ फॉल्स. हाँ, वो ये ग्रीवेंसेस सॉल्व तो करते हैं. डेफिनेटली दे कैन अप्रोच NCLT ऑल्सो बिकॉज इट इज अ रूल, इजंट इट? सो देर इज नथिंग लाइक दे कैनॉट अप्रोच. यस, दे कैन अप्रोच टू सॉल्व द ग्रीवेंसेस. सो द राइट आंसर इज फॉल्स. अगर उन्होंने ऐसा दिया होता कि कैन अप्रोच, देन इट विल बी ट्रू. बट यहाँ पर दिया है कैनॉट अप्रोच, विच इज फॉल्स. दे कैन अप्रोच NCLT. ओके, अगर सिर्फ डिबेंचर ट्रस्टीज कैनॉट रिड्रेस ग्रीवेंसेस होता तो भी फॉल्स होता, या डिबेंचर ट्रस्टीज कैनॉट सॉल्व द ग्रीवेंसेस तो भी वो फॉल्स होता है, क्योंकि अकेला डिबेंचर ट्रस्टी भी उनकी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व कर सकता है, ठीक है। देन all secured debentures should be redeemed within 20 years from the date of its issue. False है, हमने already ये पढ़ा है, 10 years is the right answer. Company has to create a charge on its assets when it is issued secured debentures. Definitely, अगर secured debentures की बात होती है तो company has to create a charge on its asset when they are issuing the secured debentures. The right answer is true. Eighth one, debenture trustees are appointed to protect the interest of the shareholders. False, क्योंकि डिबेंचर ट्रस्टीज आर अपॉइंटेड टू प्रोटेक्ट द इंटरेस्ट ऑफ द डिबेंचर होल्डर्स. स्टूडेंट्स, शेयर होल्डर्स कहाँ से आ गए? सो द आंसर इज फॉल्स. नाइन्थ, डिबेंचर सर्टिफिकेट इज इशूड विद इन 6 months ऑफ द अलॉटमेंट ऑफ डिबेंचर्स. डेफिनेटली ट्रू, ये हमने अभी पढ़ा है, 6 month के अंदर उनको डिबेंचर सर्टिफिकेट देना पड़ता है, ठीक है. 10th one, after allotment of debentures, their names are entered in the register of members. False. Register of debentures, this also has been covered. So this is about the true and false, children. They are very simple concepts के ऊपर है, concept clarity है, तो definitely we can solve these types of questions, ठीक है. Let us go to the last part of it, children, the E part of it, that is find the odd one. Okay. डिबेंचर होल्डर्स इंटरेस्ट एंड डिविडेंड. डेफिनेटली ऑड वन हमारा डिविडेंड है, क्योंकि डिबेंचर होल्डर्स को इंटरेस्ट मिलता है, तो डिबेंचर होल्डर्स भी है, इंटरेस्ट भी है, डिविडेंड इज नॉट एप्लीकेबल, सो वी कैन अंडरलाइन और हाईलाइट डिविडेंड इज अ ऑड वन, ठीक है. देन कम्स योर डिबेंचर ट्रस्टीज, कोर्ट एंड एनसीएलटी. यस, हमने ऑलरेडी बोला है कि डिबेंचर ट्रस्टीज सॉल्व द ग्रीवेंसेस ऑफ द डिबेंचर होल्डर्स, दे कैन टेक हेल्प ऑफ एनसीएलटी. ये भी मैंने अभी आपको इसके ऊपर थोड़ा एक्सप्लेनेशन दिया भी है. कोर्ट डजंट प्ले एनी रोल हियर, सो द ऑड वन हियर इज द कोर्ट, ठीक है. थर्ड वन इज सिक्योर्ड डिबेंचर्स, कन्वर्टेबल डिबेंचर्स, इररिडीमेबल डिबेंचर्स. डेफिनेटली सिक्योर्ड डिबेंचर्स होता है, कन्वर्टेबल भी होता है पार्टली फुल्ली, but irredeemable debentures is not applicable here, children. So that's why the odd one under the third point is irredeemable debentures, ठीक है. Fourth one is debenture trustees, trust deed and shareholders. So we have spoken so much about the debenture trustees. Now trust deed, shareholders की भी बात हुई है. Shareholders is not applicable to debentures at all here, children. So debenture trustees are appointed, trust is a deed, is a contract or an agreement आप बोल सकते हो. So shareholders is not applicable here because it is related to shares. So the odd one out here is shareholders, ठीक है. So students, today in this video I have solved question number 1 from A to E in a very simple and a very easy manner. I hope this video will be very advantageous to you for your revision, for your reference. Okay, so on that note, children, I would like to conclude this video. And if this concept has really made you confident about these objectives, then kindly like, subscribe and share. Very soon I will be uploading the next set of questions under chapter number 4, because I have been getting a request also from my new students saying that they want specific solutions or topic explanation. So if even you feel that you want right now that particular topic or that particular exercise, kindly put it in the comment section, or you can also mail me commercetute1720@gmail.com, students. So that's it in this video, children. Thank you so much. We'll soon meet in the next video. Thank you.